Hey all, this is my tutorial for Screencast Matic. It's probably my favorite screencasting software. I've used it for a few years. And the biggest thing that I like about it is that the max time on the free version is 15 minutes, which is longer than a lot of the others out there. And it's really easy to show it how much of your screen you want to show. So if you don't want to show your tabs at the top, you don't have to. You just move the jagged lines, these dotted lines here, to whatever it is you want to capture, and then you click record. And it's really quick and easy, and you can pause it and you can start it up again. You can delete and start over. It's really, really simple. Of the things that you can do with it, on the free version, you can't show videos because it doesn't let you use the computer audio, but you can do a variety of different things. So I can do a tutorial to show how to do something in Google Classroom. I can do a tutorial for here's my model of how to set up whatever essay I'm trying to set up. The other thing that you can do is that if you have notes or a worksheet that you're working with, and you save it as a PDF. Let's see if it'll work. Can you? Let's see. Okay, so what you didn't see was that I was struggling to get the document up that I wanted to get up. So I clicked pause, got it up to where I needed to, and then I clicked record again. Typically, I would probably start over in that sense, but since I wanted to show you kind of what you can do in that, I'm leaving those errors in. So I can always go back and take other software and snip that piece out if I want to, or like I said, I could have started over again. But if you pull up a PDF to your browser, and it always has me use Internet Explorer on mine, that this doesn't necessarily happen in Chrome, but I can add notes to it. So I can basically take notes for my students. So this is a packet that I created last year, and I could go in and actually, write out what it is that I wanted them to do. And I have some videos on my YouTube channel of some screencasted notes with these kind of packets and worksheets on my YouTube channel. So you can kind of see what I created for students. But that is something that you can do for those of you that work with worksheets and you want to find a way to be able to have them watch you take the notes and talk through the way that you would as you were leading a lesson. That's something that you can do. On Google, you can create anything that you want to. You can show them how to find stuff. However it is that you want to do your, screencast, but you're really looking at like a mini lesson or a tutorial of here's how you do this, and then the students would be able to do what it is that they need to do. But you can pull up all sorts of different things on your screen as you're going to show them where you want them to go. If you have any questions, let me know. And I will do some screenshots of what it looks like as it goes through the process. Because this program is really simple when you go to save documents or videos. So when you go to save the videos, it gives you some options. And one of those is just to download a file onto your computer or to upload it to YouTube. So it'll let you upload straight from this software. All right, thanks.